Warren Buffett's management secrets. Number 5. Find the right manager for the job. Management changes are like marital changes. Painful, time-consuming and expensive. Ask. Is it absolutely necessary? If the business is losing money due to the management style, it is definitely time for a change. Warren would insist a business come with a competent management team. He would ask the current manager to write a letter explaining who would succeed them if they died tomorrow. Warren gets managers who already know the business and was hand-chosen by the current team and their customers. If he went outside, he would source someone who he already knew with a success track record. Change managers only when necessary, promote within if possible. If not, ask your successful managers for a referral. To pick a leader from the pack. Look for a leader who beats his or her own drum. A person who is a victor, with an internal locus of control. If there is a problem, they take full responsibility for the problem and the solution. There is no blame game. It's not always easy. When they win, they win. And when they lose, it was them that lost. There is no scapegoats. They take responsibility for their failure, and the solution also for the success of the business. Are you victor or victim? Another tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, the secret to working at a job you love.